Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Google Lens to image search. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Google Lens application, and if you haven't logged into any Google account, you will be asked to log in. After logging in using your credentials, you will be able to use the Google Lens app using your camera. Now, in order to search any image, you can simply use your camera to take a picture by tapping on the search option. Once you tap on search, the shutter will click a picture and a search will be conducted based on the photo that you took. You can also change to the gallery search mode by simply tapping on the galleries icon at the left side of the search button. Once you tap on this, you will be able to scroll through your galleries and use any specific image to conduct your search. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the Google Lens application into image search. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.